pé as many of us understand that terrorists ò lè kúrò ní Nàìjíríà torí pé wọ́n ti ṣe Nàìjíríà pé gbogbo àwọn terrorists tó ń attack wa purposely torí pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí àwọn bá gbalẹ̀ yẹn tán wá sọ di tọ̀dọ̀ tiwọn Fúlàní ò nílé èyàn lọ ṣe ń káàkiri bí ẹṣọ oníwòlémọ̀ tó ń lọ from point A to B àsìkò tó ká challenge wọn ká sọ fún ìjọba àgbáyé pé a ṣe Nàìjíríà mọ́ Nàìjíríà yìí ò ti sú gbogbo wa. It is not working, and that is the reason why we are asking everybody to support as the indigenous people to have our own self-determination. Self-determination is an inalienable right, and that right will be respected by the government, the international community, and that is the only solution to all the problems that we are facing today in Nigeria. Nigeria failed you, Nigeria failed me, and it is important that as everybody continue to ask for the right to exit Nigeria, we will continue to do so in the peaceful and in accordance with the United Nations Charter. Baba Akintoye have stated it, that the reason why we want a Yoruba country is so that we can be able to build a better system, a better identity, a better system that works for everyone that are Yorubas, most importantly, and those that will be living with us in the near future. Look at where we are today. All these were built by people that came from different parts of the globe. And today, it is time that we replicate a better version of that back home in our own territory. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sùn àsùnpara. It is no longer visibly working. Look at how they are attacking even the present government of the day. The Northerners are not ready to allow the breakup of Nigeria. But we are saying that when the break happen, we can still be neighbors. We can live side by side as neighbors, just like many other countries have done so as well in the past. It is not that Nigeria cannot break. It is just that the selfish interest of the politicians that doesn't want it to break now is the reason why we are all being kept and held in this bondage called Nigeria. It is the time now. The end of Nigeria must happen in our lifetime. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.